Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.
Hello everyone, this is Nita and I'm one of the expert language tutors at Dlschool. So today we'll be dealing with the listening and the last minute tips for your IELTS exam. So to begin with, we'll now see the band descriptors are the number of answers that you need to get, that you need to get correct in order to get a high score in your listening. Okay, so mostly these days people are either trying for a 7 in the listening or an 8. Okay, 8 in the case where many of the people who try for Canada migration using the express entry profile, you are all aware of the fact that they use a certain band which is known as the 8777 band for your immigration purpose, which means you need to get an 8 in your listening, while rest of the 3 it's okay to get a 7. So many people are struggling to get an 8, and it is it's not that difficult, but then you should be you should put a little more effort than the other sections in your listening in order to get 8. Okay, so I'll just give the as you all know, there will be 40 questions, and each correct answer will be given 1 mark, and then the wrong answers will not be given any mark, and there is no negative marking. So even if it's a guess, you have to write the answer. Okay, and when it comes to listening, many a times people make the answer correct. I mean, the word that obviously they'll make correct, but then there will be certain any difference in the spelling mistake, and also if you write a plural in place of a singular thing, then again you will lose marks, and then if it is not grammatically correct, again you will lose marks. So these are the factors where people are losing marks. It's not like they are not able to judge what is coming, or they're not able to listen and properly comprehend what they hear. It's not that. They're able to hear, but then these are the minor mistakes that they make, that makes them lose their mark, and they are not even aware of that. So we'll be coming up with what are the minor things that you should take care in this regard. So that's it. So I'll just give the idea on the number of answers that you gotta make right. So here, academic and general people, they take both, the scoring criteria is same. Now, unlike the reading, okay, the reading for academic and general people was kind of somewhat different, because the academic people, it was kind of lenient towards them when it comes to their reading score. But then listening is same for both the academic and general candidates. So in order to get a 9, which means a full band in your listening, you gotta make at least 39 answers correct. Okay, so there is only provision of 1 mistake in order to get 9. So people who make their answers correct like 39 or 40, you will get a 9 in your listening. Okay, and 37 and 38, which means minimum of 3 mistakes or 2 mistakes if you're making, then it is going to be 8.5. okay, then for getting 8, which is the major target faced by a lot of people, you gotta make at least 5. 35 and 36 is the answer. You gotta make at least 35 answers correct. Okay, 35 and 36 fetches you the same score, so it is going to be 8. And then in order to get a 7.5, 32 to 34 answers must be correct. Okay, and in order to get a 7, you need at least 30 answers to be correct. So 30 and 31 answers if you're making correct, then you're eligible for a 7. Okay, so that's it. I'm not telling the bands which are below that, because that is not quite necessary. So always always keep this target in your mind, which band do you actually want, and then try to work on that. Everything is given, the number of answers that you got to make correct is given, so just try to work out that formula. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video was useful to you. If you feel the same, please do like and share the video. Also subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more notifications from us. Thank you.
Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.